welcome to my YouTube channel. In this rigging tutorial, let's discuss how to assign some vertices to a mesh in order to move it following the mesh as shown here. We have this finger over there. So set parent to menu. So let me show you how to set parent to menu. Like this in the mesh finger armature arrangement in object mode. Like this, you are in object mode, switch to object mode, select the mesh, then shift select armature, like this, shift, hold down shift select armature. With the mesh, press Ctrl+P as shown here. It's gonna be showing this pop-up menu, which is set parent to like this. We have armature deform, go over armature deform. We have three choices over there. So with empty groups, with envelope weights, with automatic weights. So all you need to do, first things first, so let me discuss with empty groups. What can this option do? This option creates a child-parent relationship between the mesh object and the armature, such that when a bone in the armature is moved in pause mode, part of the mesh follows. This is accomplished by automatically creating an armature modifier for the mesh. So just click on it. It's gonna be making a parent and relationship between armature and our mesh as shown here, which is the finger. So select just the mesh, go over there. It's gonna be setting and adding this armature modifier. And you can see this panel object is set to armature, and the vertex group, you should set the bone you want to move, and the mesh is gonna be following it in real time with much more accuracy. So we have preserve volume multi modifier pin to it's set, and the vertex group option is checked. So with object armature and bin to vertex groups, at the same time, vertex groups are created and named in accordance with the bonus. So just go over here, click on this button, object data property, go over this slots over there. It's automatically going to add bones and assigning the bonus, assigning each vertex group to a bone like this. You have different vertex groups assigned to bone and bone 001, bone 002, as shown in the outline editor. You can see it clearly over there in the same collection. So let me give you a note, which is although vertex groups are created over there and then in accordance with bones in the armature, vertices have not been assigned to the vertex groups, hence with empty groups. With the mesh object in edit mode, so let's go back, click on edit mode like this. So let me zoom just a tiny bit. So in order to select vertices, all vertices surrounding over there and or these edge loops surrounding the bones, in order to assign the vertices to bones, each area is going to be moving and following the mesh while it's moving. So in order to select different vertices at different areas, that is going to be assigned to bones like this. So just in this case, this side view, it's not accurate or not good to set them like this. So just I'm gonna be trying to select different vertices surrounding in this finger, surrounding the bone like this. For this bone like this at the middle, I'm gonna be using the C key. So just like this. So scroll up on the mouse wheel or down in order to get much more field like this. So just I'm gonna be selecting this area over there, but the problem that you can't select the vertices of the other edge of the other side, and just escape to turn on the C circle, the circle selection. Go over here, switch, go over, turn on the wireframe mode, and turn on the X-ray mode. It's gonna be letting the selection on both sides. So let's hit it again. I'm gonna be selecting like this, surrounding, for example, the area of this bone, like this. When selecting all the vertices on the both sides, on both sides of the finger for this area, just go over here. This is the bone 001. So select it, then click on assign. In order to assign this area, assign it to bone 001. The same thing for this area, you can select and assign it to bone 002. And this area also for the bone, this name of the bone over there. So let's try to move some bones and let's see what happens. Go back to solid mode like this, tap into edit mode, tap into object mode, select this bone, tap into edit mode. So you should choose switch to pose mode like this to move the armature or to move the bones, or to rotate like this. And you can see it better. And the case where you have some issues in between bones, in this case you should select the vertices correctly and properly. Don't mix different areas. For example, select this area and assign it to a bone and select the second area, but reselecting some vertices from that area is gonna be making different issues, so avoid that. Let's select this bone, for example. You can rotate and move and you can see the mesh is gonna be following the motion and the movement of the bone. Or this bone also. And that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.